The humans from this planet have made notable progress in developing the science of their own cognitive hardware. Their neurobiologists have identified the materially undefinable phenomenon of consciousness, a straightforward dilemma which ought to point their philosophers of mind to the necessity of the spiritually constituted entity of soul. The neuroscientists have designated neuroplasticity as the process of significant modification imposed upon malleable neural hardware. However, these neurobiologists ignore the lucid reality that neuroplasticity must occur as a behested phenomenon from an independent volitional effect upon the brain. The scientists of the specimen humans have yet to consider the physics of spirit involved in this observed transaction of soul via mind upon the brain. At some point, the philosophers will presumably come to the aid of the scientists to show them that neuroplasticity proves how the soul channels volition through the mind to create new portals of brainwaves to re-establish neural functions, particularly where trauma has damaged cerebral areas. For example, when a frontal lobe incurs irreparable damage to the region, which these humans refer to as the Broca area, their brain scientists have identified the circumvention of the broken neural channels, which facilitate the soul's expressions of formal language. Even where this speech area of the brain will never work again, many humans develop workaround pathways to bypass the region of destroyed brain tissue that allows them to resume speaking as clear and consistent as before the trauma occurred. The humans ought to soon recognize this plain reality that their brain cannot tell itself to work around itself as both the cause and effect of neuroplasticity, a reality which clearly demands the introduction of the external system of their human soul.